I want to go to the Bodies Museum tomorrow. I want to go to the stupid wire park museum. I won't go to the
Why not? It's fun to see all the animals.
It's going to be crap, and there's going to be 100 little 5-year-olds running around. This is the deepest spot right here.
Okay.
Should we get back so we don't have to pay for another hour?
We haven't been gone an hour yet.
This way is prettier.
It is, isn't it? Look at that tree with all the moss on it. There's pretty color water in there. It's got all the colors and the trees in it. It's almost perfect. It just says, come on into my house.
Look, that's probably the entrance to the creek right there. Where that little waterfall is, where the bridge was.
Yeah.
Possibly. Put that paddle in the water, come on. I want to be able to make it down here, turn around and make it back.
Oh, is this the end of it?
I don't know, but damn it. Okay, well, I'm not going to paddle either then. Now we'll just stand here and let them people pass us.
What?
I ain't got no scooting room over here. Whatever. I'm just going to stay right in the middle.
I told you to switch, but you wouldn't want.
No. Look, see, my seat's here. I can't go this way or that way.